subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Razer has a new pair of Bluetooth headphones, but it is not designed for consoles. However, the low-latency gaming mode of the Razer Opus X makes it great for mobile gaming. The Opus X is a cheaper version of the original Opus with a price tag of $99.99, half the price of the latter. The new wireless headset comes in mercury, quartz, and green. It has a padded leatherette headband and rotatable ear cups with leatherette ear cushions. Razer has equipped the headphones with custom-tuned 40mm drivers that provide a rich audio experience. There are internal microphones that pick up your voice when you use the headset for voice calls, and Razer claims that those on the other end can hear you with perfect clarity. The Razer Opus X has active noise cancellation, ANC, that blocks out the noise when watching a movie or listening to your favorite podcast. There is also a feature called Quick Attention Mode that allows outside sound in when activated. This comes in handy when you are outdoors or need to be aware of what is going on around you. As stated above, the headset is not designed for consoles, as Razer has special headphones for the PlayStation and Xbox. However, the 60 Ms low-latency gaming mode of the Opus X makes it great for mobile gaming on your phone or tablet. The Opus X has a battery life of up to 30 hours, up to 40 hours with ANC off. It charges through a USB-C port and connects via Bluetooth 5.0. On one of the ear cups are the volume control buttons, power button, multifunction button, and LED indicator. The power button doubles as the ANC button and for activating quick attention mode. You can purchase the headphones on Razer's website as well as on Amazon. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.